Concentrating on studies for long hours without distractions can be a challenge for many students in today's fast-paced world, with countless distractions vying for our attention, from social media notifications to noisy environments. However, there are effective strategies that can help enhance your focus and productivity, enabling you to make the most of your study time. To begin with, it's essential to create a dedicated study environment that minimizes distractions. Find a quiet place that is free from interruptions, ideally a space where you feel comfortable and can remain undisturbed for extended periods. Keep your study area organized and clutter-free, as a tidy space can help clear your mind and allow you to concentrate better. Ensure that all necessary materials, such as textbooks, notebooks, and stationery, are within reach to avoid unnecessary breaks that could disrupt your flow of study. Once your environment is set up, the next step is to develop a structured study schedule that breaks your work into manageable chunks. Rather than attempting to study for long hours without a plan, use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, which involves studying for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break. This approach helps maintain focus while giving your mind the necessary rest it needs. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes to recharge. During these breaks, resist the urge to check your phone or engage in activities that could lead to longer distractions. Instead, opt for light stretching or a quick walk to refresh your mind. Another crucial element in maintaining concentration is setting specific goals for each study session. Rather than approaching your studies with a vague idea of what you want to accomplish, outline clear objectives for what you want to achieve during your study time, whether it's completing a chapter, solving a set of problems, or revising for an upcoming exam. Having specific targets gives your study sessions purpose and direction. Furthermore, make use of digital tools and apps that can help you stay organized and on track. Applications like Todoist, Trello, or Notion can assist in breaking down your tasks and keeping you accountable. You can set deadlines for each task and track your progress. Keeping your goals in sight encourages you to stay focused and motivated. In addition to setting goals and creating a conducive study environment, it is vital to limit digital distractions. While technology can be a useful study aid, it can also be a significant source of distraction. Consider using website blockers like Freedom or Cold Turkey to temporarily disable access to social media and other distracting sites during your study sessions. You can also turn off notifications on your phone or put it in another room to minimize temptation. As you delve into your studies, it's important to practice mindfulness and focus techniques that enhance your concentration. Take a few moments at the beginning of each study session to clear your mind and center your thoughts. Deep breathing exercises can help calm your nerves and prepare you for focused work. If your mind begins to wander during study sessions, gently bring your attention back to the task at hand without self-judgment. Practicing mindfulness helps in strengthening your focus over time and allows you to remain present during your studies. Another method to boost concentration is incorporating active learning techniques. Rather than passively reading or highlighting text, engage with the material by summarizing information in your own words, teaching concepts to someone else, or creating mind maps. These techniques not only improve retention but also keep your brain actively involved in the learning process, which can help maintain your concentration for longer periods. As you study, pay attention to your physical well-being. Your body and mind are closely connected, and neglecting your health can lead to decreased focus and productivity. Ensure you are eating balanced meals, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. All of these factors contribute to your overall cognitive function. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine can also help improve concentration and reduce stress. Even short bursts of physical activity can boost your energy levels and enhance your focus. It's essential to understand your natural rhythm and study at times when you feel most alert and productive. Some people are morning learners, while others may find they concentrate better in the afternoon or evening. Identify your peak study times and schedule your most challenging tasks during those hours. This way, you can tackle difficult subjects when your mind is most receptive to learning. Remember to also incorporate moments of self-reflection into your routine. After each study session, take a moment to review what you've accomplished. Assess what strategies worked well for you and which ones didn't. This practice allows you to adjust your approach and continuously improve your study habits. Don't hesitate to experiment with different techniques and methods, as everyone has unique preferences when it comes to studying. Finding what works best for you is key to maintaining long periods of concentration. Social accountability can also play a role in enhancing focus. Consider studying with a partner or in a group. Having someone else around can motivate you to stay on task and discourage distractions. However, make sure to choose study partners who share similar goals and can keep each other focused, as not all group settings are conducive to effective studying. If studying with others is not an option, you can still find ways to create accountability. Share your study goals with friends or family, and ask them to check in with you about your progress. This kind of accountability can keep you motivated and on track. When it comes to prolonged study sessions, breaks are crucial. Ensure that you are taking regular breaks to rest your mind and recharge. During these breaks, step away from your study space and engage in activities that help you relax. Whether it's going for a walk, listening to music, or practicing a hobby, taking time to unwind will prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh for the next study session. As you develop your study routine, it's also important to establish a positive mindset towards your studies. Approach your work with curiosity and enthusiasm rather than viewing it as a chore. Remind yourself of the goals you are working towards and the reasons why your studies are important to you. Cultivating a positive attitude can significantly impact your focus and motivation levels. If you ever find yourself feeling overwhelmed or losing interest in your studies, take a moment to step back and reevaluate your approach. Maybe it's time to change your study environment, try a different study method, or simply take a longer break to recharge. Flexibility in your approach can lead to renewed focus and improved concentration. Finally, remember that it's perfectly normal to have off days where concentration feels particularly elusive. Don't be too hard on yourself during these times. Practice self-compassion and remind yourself that building concentration is a skill that takes time and practice. With persistence and dedication, you can develop the ability to focus for extended periods and enhance your overall study experience. So start implementing these strategies, stay patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Over time, you will likely find that your ability to concentrate on your studies improves significantly, leading to better retention of information and ultimately greater academic success. Keep pushing forward, and remember that the journey of studying is not just about the destination, but also about the growth and learning that happens along the way. With each study session, you are building not only your knowledge but also your resilience and discipline, making you better equipped to face future challenges in your academic and personal life. So embrace the process. Stay committed to your goals, and watch as your concentration and study skills evolve into something truly remarkable.